Good morning, students. I Tushar Joshi welcomes you in Omkar English Medium School's digital platform in my YouTube channel Tushar Joshi's Maths Club. So, students, we have seen exercise 2.3 last time. Question number first we have completed, and some questions I have given to you as a homework. Okay, and so many students sent me that homework and some have not. So if you still haven't sent me that homework, so send me fast, because today we are going to start question number second. Few questions I have skipped from question number first that we haven't seen. Okay, why? Because that's not that much exam oriented, and that's 10th standard level question. If some extraordinary students still want to learn that question, so WhatsApp me. I will solve that question in my book and I will send to you after making a small video. It's not required to solve here on the board, because out of our 72 students, so many students will not get interest in that question, and that questions are not that much exam oriented. So we will not waste our time in that two questions. If you are that much aspirant, so tell me in my WhatsApp. I will upload a small video in our group. Okay, so now we are going to start question number second. Students are coming. If you have skipped some minutes, okay, a couple of minutes or some minutes of lecture, so you can rewind this video and from previously you can see. Okay, so now second question we are going to solve. Find the remainder when one polynomial is given is divided by second polynomial. Okay, so it's good. So many students appear. Raithan Mundwa as always. Raj Barbasia, Yana Gangadia, Jasani Dhruvi, Jasani Dhruvi, Dodia Raviraj, Sonara Shruti, Divyaraj Chavda, Divyaraj Ahir, Divyaraj Chavda, Yes Chavda Sandeep, Avika Parmar, Kropali Khambla, and so many. Okay, so now second question. Okay, question number second. Find the remainder when x cube, directly I am writing here x cube minus ax square plus 6x, ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by, okay, is divided by which polynomial? X minus a. So again, using 2 or 3 methods I will solve these questions. Okay, because again here it's not instructed that which method you have to use. So any method you can use here, but I will use 2 or 3 methods here. So first of all, what we people have to do here, see, this is long division method first. Okay, this first term you have to divide by, this first term is first term of p of x will divide by first term of g of x. So x cube upon x, what will remain? It will remain x square only. So x square you have to write here. See, a is come, so don't think, oh, in previous question numbers were there and here a is here, so what will happen? Like previous question only, we will solve this question also, nothing new, it is a regular question. So x square into x, again x cube, and x square into a, so plus minus minus will come, ax square will come, sign will change, this both term will cancel, and what will remain? 6x minus a. So again 6x upon x, x will cancel, so what will come? 6, so plus 6 will come, so you have to write here 6x. Okay, Why? Because 6 into x is 6x plus minus again minus 6 into a is 6a. Again sign will change, first term will cancel, minus a plus 6a, so 5a. So your 5a is remainder, because in this question they have given that find the remainder. So you have to write r of x means remainder of x is what? Nothing but 5a. Okay, very simple question it was. Write down first so that we can solve by other method. Yes, Bhadar ka chirag. Repeat second step. This step. Again, see. Second step I'm going to repeat. Up to here, this both was cancelled. Okay, so it was cancelled. So remainder is 0 only, nothing will remain. Now, as always, we have to write this step as it is. So what will remain? 6x minus a will come as it is. So now this first step, now this is our first step now, because this both are 0, plus minus whatever here, otherwise you don't write anything here. Okay, so nothing will change because it's 0 only. 0 you write or 0 you don't write, matters will not change. So this is your first step. All time you have to divide this first step by g of x first step. So p of x first step upon g of x first step. X cancel, what's remains? 6 here, so that I have written here 6. Okay, so as it is like all time, 6 into x, again 6x, 6 into minus a, minus 6a, 6 into minus a, minus 6a, sign will change, this first term will cancel, minus a plus 6a, 5a. Okay, minus 1 plus 6, so 5 will come, so like that only 5a, and you have to write here your remainder. I'm writing here remainder of x is 5a. Okay, done. Yes, Divyaraj Ahir, so 5a is the answer of second method. Yes, by any method you can solve, choice is yours, but I'm just showing you some examples so that your concept will become more clear. Okay, so now this was the first method, long division, and now what its name, remainder theorem. Okay, so using remainder theorem we are going to solve second question. Here I am showing you. Okay, so now p of x is what? X cube. P of x is what? X cube minus x square plus 6x minus 5. Let me write by blue pen so easily it will differ from other question. Okay, so p of x is equal to x cube minus x square plus 6x minus a, and your g of x is what? X minus a. So x is equal to a, that's why x is equal to a. So you have to write here p of x is equal to a cube minus a into x square. So a into a square plus 6 into a. Here actually you should write p of a, huh? P of a. P of a. Okay, because this all things are going in A's format. So here where you see x, you have to write the a. So x cube means a as it is, again x square means a square, plus 6 as it is, x means a, and minus a. So a into a square is a cube. So again a cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a, so a cube is cancelled. So 6a minus a, what will remain? 5a. Okay, so by second method also the same answer is come. Yes, Divyaraj, here I have solved it. Very good, shabash. Okay, so by blue pen what I have written, that's your second method. I think so it's clear for all. So if it's clear, if you don't have doubt, so tell me in comment box fast, yes it's clear, so that I can go ahead. Okay, Keval, very good. Okay, so we'll go for next. Now every time I will not show you both method, or I will not use 2 3 methods. By only one and shortest method we will go ahead every time. Okay, so any one method only I will use. Which one is shortest? Almost we'll use this method only. Okay, if it's not instructed, so this is this, so we'll use this method only. Third question, check whether, question is that check whether 3x plus 7, they have given in wrong format 7 plus they have, whether 7 plus 3x, this is third number of question, whether 7 plus 3x is factor of 3x square plus 7x. 3x square plus 7x means here we have to check that is this factor of this or not. So very short way is that here we have to write let 7 plus 3 of x is equal to 0. Okay, so now 3x is equal to minus 7. Don't forget therefore sign, otherwise equal to, otherwise some point, anything you have to write. So now x is equal to what? Minus 7 by 3. Okay, x is minus 7 by 3 and this value you have to put in this polynomial. So your now p of x is what? 3x square plus 7x. So now instead of x, now value of x is what? Minus 7 by 3. So you have to write instead of minus 7 x, minus 7 by 3. So minus 7 by 3 equal to 3 into x square. X square means 7 by 3 minus all square plus 7 into minus 7 by 3. If remainder will come 0, so it is factor, and if remainder will not come 0, so it's not factor. So now 3 into 7 minus 7 square plus 49, 3 square is 9, plus minus, sorry, minus. So here minus will come, minus 7 7s are 49 by 3. Okay, so 3 3s are, so what will remain? 49 by 3 minus 49 by 3 equal to 0. Okay, so remainder come 0 here, so that it means that yes, it is factor. So you have to write in statement form yes. Okay, yes, 7 plus 3x is factor of 3x square plus 7x. Very simple question this is. So Let me clear one thing. When they ask us that is this factor or not, so first of all we have to find the value of x. So equal to always 0. So you have to write equal to 0 and you have to find first value of x, and that value of x we have to put in given polynomial. And if finally answer comes 0, so that it is a factor, means final answer should be 0. So it is factor, and if it don't come 0, so it means that it is a not factor. Okay, and there is some remainder will remain, so it's not divisible by another polynomial. So in short, it's not factor. You have to write no, it's not factor. But here answer comes 0, so I have written yes, it is a factor. Okay, I think so it should be clear. Divyaraj again, no, it's not factor. Very good, very fast. Yes, only few third question, remainder is not 0. Third question, remainder is not 0. No, it's not like that. Remainder is 0 so that it is a factor. So actually your answer is wrong there. I think so you should check it again. See, easily we get remainder 0, so it is a factor. Check it again. 1 minute. Wait a minute. Oh, sorry.